Tēnei ahau te mahi nei. I te me hau ākuanei ka tupu ai. Behold, I'm doing a new thing. It springs forth. Can you not see it? This scripture from Isaiah has been talking to me about growth. Tupu. The word of the day I wanted to share is tupu. Growth has been an important part of my journey because at the moment I'm learning to write a book. And it seems the more I learn, the less I know. But I think the scripture speaks to me, tupu, tupu. What if what's growing is coming forth from within me, something I don't yet perceive? I think so often we think a growth is becoming big and strong with lots of leaves. But what about the roots or the source of where that growth is coming from? Because the word tu means to stand up, and pu, ka pupu te wai. Pu is the action of bubbling up like a spring, so a source as well. So what's creating that growth in you at the moment? And could there be something in this test or this trial creating patience and persistence that is growing within you which you didn't even know you had? When I'm helping my friends learn new words, I encourage them to sing. Let us sing the words together, ka tupu, because I want it to be a feeling, not just a thinking. Ka tupu, ka tupu. Ka tupu tātou. Let us grow together. Ka kite anō. Have a wonderful day, whanau.